Get her.
Leave me alone! What did I do? Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Hey! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
You had a dream?
Yes.
Oh. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay. You're fine?
Yes.
You're fine?
Yes.
You want to talk about the dream?
No. Tomorrow.
Sorry. It's okay.
Sorry, I woke you.
No, it's okay. Go back to sleep, okay?
Okay. Okay, got flower.
Hey,
doctor.
How are you?
This is your son again. Wow.
Hey, how are you today?
Hello.
Hey, I love you. That's my name.
I like this your music.
It's very sweet.
Na new job it is, have you?
Yeah, new song. Oh.
It sound like Osadeba and Fino.
No,
Remix.
it's Abule Lukumba and Solista.
You know me now?
Very sweet song.
I will not release this song.
Ah, solid style.
The day correct. Okay. You dey hear him, I mean, only me dey hear him.
These boys again. What is their problem? Eh? Somebody cannot rest again. Every day noise. You dey hear them?
Nah, those stupid boys who
Don't come again, no. Eh?
We don't agree.
Oh God.
Okay, check.
Make a confirm.
Which guy nonsense be this one?
Scary.
Which kind of nonsense be this one? I don't know why they don't want me person drink water keep come for this town.
I don't know why some boys are useless. Eh? Area boys, they're just fighting, scattering everywhere, disturbing the neighborhood up and down. Now they even killed 2 policemen. Yes, they killed 2 policemen, and now the policemen are everywhere looking for boys. Anybody they see, they will just arrest. Mass arrest, massacre arrest. Everybody. If they see you now, they'll pick you.
Oga Flower, you no concern me. Wetin concern me na me and my gates. I dey mind my business. If they like, make they come do masquerade arrest, I be mass arrest. You no concern me.
I don't know why some boys are just useless. Eh? Why can't they indulge themselves in something meaningful? I mean, work, make money, even if it's little. At least you're doing something. Than this thing they are doing, fighting and scattering everywhere. Eh?
You see?
I can't run. I won't even run like this. You know, I'm not too strong.
Me, I no fit run again, no. This is the last one.
I'm telling you.
You see why Oga no dey come this village?
It's obvious.
You see am?
It's
because
obvious.
of all this nonsense what they do. They pursue Oga wey build house. The nonsense youth, they do nonsense, they pursue Oga comot. E no good now. I even hear say madam don carry belle. Yes. I know be say carry belle be the matter. E carry belle, the belle come comot. The belle come dey do madam flashing. E dey come, e dey go, they come, e dey go.
Are you mad? What is wrong with you? Eh? What is wrong with you? Can't you focus on your work? Eh? Why are you prognosing? Who told you? Who told you? I beg. Gate man, I beg. I know be gossiper. I don't like this kind of nonsense. Don't ever tell me this thing again. Please, just mind your work. Your work is to close the gate. You go back to your cubicle and leave me alone. Don't try this nonsense again. What if madam is around? What will you say? They will sack you now. The little 15,000 that you make monthly, you will just lose it like that because of too much talk. Please don't try it again next time.
Me, when they give you updates, latest news updates. Na me they call.
It's okay.
Oga Flower.
Don't call me again, I beg.
Now you be the better person now. See as your hand is, they smell hibiscus flower. They rub am from my mouth. You want use idea give me poison? I tell you say I be goat when they chop flower. Eh? If not be that music where they play, where they give me joy, eh? Me and you fight for this compound.
You fight who? No, you fight who?
And they follow you play. They carry that dagger, they come closer to me. You stay there.
God, what have I done? Why is this happening to me? The worst of it all is that my husband isn't even concerned. I am the only one who is worried about this. What have I not done concerning this condition? What more do I need to do? God, please, show me mercy and prove the devil wrong.
Ah, I got flower. Okay, my boy, it go be now. It go be tomorrow now.
I get man, yes, tomorrow.
Oga Flower, na joke I follow you the joke as my colleague. Your body too dey pepper you. You dey carry small thing for your head. You be man no.
I am still playing with you too. I'm playing with you. I'm joking with you. So,
I beg, bye-bye. They go.
Bye-bye. You they go.
Na wow.
Now, wow. Nonsense. Yes, yes, yes. Talk.
Oga Flower. Hey. See as person just dey spoil person mood. I no blame you. The only work wey you sabi na to dey cut anything wey God create. Anything wey God create wey fine, you go just dey cut am. You go see flower wey dey grow on im own, you go dey cut am, say you dey design am.
I have you. Eh? Cutter. No, keep talking. Talkative. Yes, talk. Talk.
I no go talk. I no go talk. I no go talk. I go there, you go find my trouble. My music now, you don't cut am short. Oga, please, Oga, as a senior officer, sir, we need to change workers. We need to change workers. Make we know wetin dey happen for this compound. See the kind better music why they enjoy. See me I follow you talk as my colleague. You just spoil everything, spoil my mood. Me sef, this kind music music of people where they suffer. Okay, mafanya ngene wanyi mafanya ngene. Odogwu na-ali nekwa no mazobu na mu ngene ebe m no na-echechi. Oga Flower nekwa mazobu na mu. Body dey pepper you anyhow. Oga, hey. Oga, you strong. Hey, I said he's strong. See, I dey wonder how you think they come back for this village.
Shade.
Oga.
Whatever you want to say, make it snappy. I'm not in the mood.
Hey, okay, Oga, I go snap him. Oga, me, I dey wonder, I dey thank God for your life. I dey wonder how you think they come back for this village. Even all these bass killing, they just shoot anybody anyhow. I say, thank God for your life. Okay, you dey try you. Even they do me like say you get audition. You dey try, I swear.
Meaning? Are you wishing me death?
Okay, I no talk that one, no. If you die, who go dey pay my salary? God forbid, you no go die.
So that's all you care about, your salary? Huh? That's all you care about, your salary?
Okay, no be so, sir. Sorry. So I wanted to remind you of your functions. You know, today is Thursday. You are supposed, when you come back around
Shady,
5...
shut up. Shut up.
Yes, sir.
In fact, you make more sense when you're not talking.
Okay.
Now get back to your duty post.
Okay, sir.
Come here. Where is my wife?
Make I talk. Okay. Sorry, sir. Your wife, he never come back. He never come back. This one way too often, I just dey waka anyhow. Make they no come do something. I don't want to say they shoot bird, a mama fly. You dey important, your wife dey important, because if you know that your wife go pay me my salary. My salary is very important. Before they go tell me now, say, oh man, I don't use my salary, do burial. Me, I dey plan how I go take position myself, build my own house with the money where they pay me. Or for the madam. I know why they talk this thing. This bastard. Okay, my own salary is important too. It be like say you go to pay me daily, you go to pay me per day, so that if you die on 20th, I will know say I don't collect the remaining ones. And they tell you they do galadima. I don't know whether you do. Okay, you go to pay me daily. Oh. All this mood end always comes with disadvantage. If you die, the mood don't go.
Everlasting Father, everlasting Son, immortal Redeemer, be thou glorified. Everlasting Father, everlasting Son, immortal Redeemer, be thou glorified.
Fine. My regular cleaning and watering the flowers.
The pains are getting worse.
How did you know?
I am your wife. I know your mood. I know when something disturbs you. I know you that well.
Yeah, but I'm fine. Okay? I don't want you to stress yourself about this. The pain will go away. Everything will be fine. But I'm good.
It's more than a month now. Where is the pain going to? Instead, it's getting worse. I don't like to see you suffer. I don't like it.
My love, calm down. I just told you that I'm fine. I don't want you to stress yourself about me. I am fine. I am fine. I can take care of myself. Please.
Guess what?
What?
There is food. And I made your favorite.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, okra soup and fufu.
You know what I can do. But this one, I added, pomo, periwinkle. It is not empty. Oh. This
and I'm famished. I'm hungry. What are we doing here? Let's go inside and eat. All right. Like, no, I'm fine. Don't worry. I'm okay. Yeah, it's okay. I'm fine. Let's go inside.
See, you have to be careful. I hear the police are arresting everybody. All the men they see on the street. So, you have to be very careful. Very, very careful.
What are you talking about, my love? Do I look like someone that can fight a policeman? I can't even fight myself. I don't have strength.
this thing you just said now, the police will not hear that one. So please be very careful. When you go out, just observe. See, observe. If you come out and you see people running, run with them. You hear?
The food. I'm hungry.
Let's go.
All right. You are leaving that behind.
I don't care.
Babe. Babe, at least say something. You can't be silent forever. Babe, say something.
What do you want me to say? What do you want me to say? I'm tired of all this. We have been married for 5 years and this is your 5th miscarriage. Is it that your womb cannot hold the baby or what?
I don't know.
That means you have to check yourself. Because I am not getting any younger and I want to be a father. If your next pregnancy ends like this, I swear, I will look for another womb elsewhere.
What did you just say? So it's my fault? It's my fault that I've been having miscarriages.
No, it's my fault. It's my own fault.
Just listen to yourself. Listen to yourself. You will get another womb. What do you even mean by that? You will get another womb. Alex. Alex. Wait.
This is your style where you say they water the under. Eh? What is your problem? Eh? Can't you just mind your business? Oga Flower, the only difference is say they speak better English. There's no difference between me and you. For the same company, where be this compound? I dey mind gates. Now Flower, you dey mind. I no fit follow you as my partner, as my friend, as my colleague. For the same company, yam like men to men.
Who is your partner? Huh? Chidi, let me ask you, who is your colleague? Listen, I am not a talkative. I am not your mate. All right? And I have responsibilities. I'm a married man. Please, if you don't like what you're doing, I love what I am doing. This is where I eat from. So, I don't like this thing you're saying every day. You keep on telling me about these people. Don't ever try it again. If they sent you, please, tell them you didn't see me. Focus on your job and let me be now.
No problem. I will focus on my job. You have marriage. You are marrying. You are married. You have responsibility. No problem. You go soon die. No be only responsibility dey here. Na burial rights, burial responsibility dey here too. Eh?
What did you just say?
What did I just say? It isn't only you sabi speak grammar. See, for my school, back in Ikwo, Abakaleke, for my school, why school, I dey carry 2 positions at the same time. Only me they carry first and second. Is it because I don't come here with my verbal quantitative and verbal reasoning? I go blow. If you blow, I blow. If you grammatize, I Hey, my English don't My English was okay, flower. Hey, God, madam. Okay, flower, I beg. Madam, I beg. Madam.
We've done everything possible to keep him awake as long as we can.
What exactly is wrong with him?
He has a hernia, bulging tissues around his intestine, and he needs an immediate operation, and it's not a cheap one.
This hernia, bulging tissue, what's the cause of it?
Madam, if I were you, this is not the right time to ask me a whole lot of questions. All you need to do now is to go home, speak with your husband, and raise the money for his operation. Please.
Okay. So this operation, how much is it going to cost?
It's going to cost ₦1 million. ₦1
million?
₦1 million.
That's a lot of money.
We need to save the young man's life, and we need to do it as soon as possible. His life is at stake. Yes.
Not even 10,000. Not even 20. 1 million naira. Where are we supposed to see that kind of money? Money we have never seen in our life. Where?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. And the doctor said I must do this operation before the end of this month. If not, I may die.
God forbid. Fiakwa. You will not die. You will not die. You will live. You will survive. You will make it. You cannot die. Hey. You survive.
Chineke.
When this thing happened, what did your boss say?
What do you expect him to say?
You should have said something. Anything. So, nothing.
I know what you want to hear.
See, Obi, just go to him. Listen to me. When you get there, kneel down. Beg him, talk to him, so that he can help us with this money. If not everything, but part of it, so that at least we'll know where to begin to look for the remaining part of the money from. Please.
I can't ask him for the money. I just can't.
What do you mean you can't? I don't understand.
The thing is, I would rather sell my only plot of land. Make money from there and then see how far I can go with the operation. But as for my boss, no.
No problem. If that is what you want to do, no problem. Please, just do whatever it is you want to do fast. I cannot afford to lose you. I just can't. I can't lose you. I don't want to lose you.
Obi, my love, you won't lose me. I will not die. Okay? I'll be fine. I don't want you to bother yourself too much. I love you so much. I'll be fine for you. Okay? Nothing will happen to me. Hey.
Don't forget to take our clothes to the laundry before you leave.
I won't. That reminds me, baby. Did you speak to Okay? At least to know how far with his health condition.
Am I supposed to be calling Okay? That's his problem, not mine. We all have our own problems. Besides, why are you worried about Okay?
He's our worker. It's our duty to make sure he's fine, at least concerning the operation.
Listen, I have more pressing issues to think of than Okay. I will see you in the evening. Come here. Chidi, open the gate.
Obi,
My love.
you have to ask him for help. You have to ask him for that money. This thing is getting serious day by day. That 300,000 naira we made from selling the land is not up to half of the money that we need. And you know it.
I know. But I have called my brothers. They said that they will get back to me very soon.
Your brothers don't have that kind of money. You know that your brothers don't have that kind of money. They don't have it. Why don't you even want to ask him for help? What is the problem? What is it?
Ask who?
Your boss.
No. I cannot ask my boss for help. Please. I know why. It is my problem. I can handle it myself. Please. Forget about my boss for now, Biko.
You don't want to ask him for help. Guess what? I am going to ask him. Yes. I will.
What did
I
you
cannot
say?
watch you die like this.
What did you say?
I will ask him myself.
No. I won't let you do that. I will not.
Will you stop me? Will you?
Obim. What is it? I am your husband, remember? Please. I know what I am doing. I'll be fine. My brothers will
Don't
get
touch
back.
me. Don't touch me.
My brothers will get back.
Leave me alone. What is it? Look at you dying every day in pain, and yet you don't want to ask your boss. You know that he has that money. Why don't you want to ask him?
I love your shouting.
You just want to die and leave me in this village alone. That's what you want to do.
$700,000.
Yes, sir.
700,000.
Yes, sir.
No marriage, No. I can't squeeze out such amount now. No. Business is slow. Business is slow, so please.
Okay. Please, sir. If there's anything you can give me, let me add to the one I have. I would really appreciate, sir.
You don't understand.
I promise I will even pay back, please.
There is no money on ground. Business is low. 700,000 naira. No marriage, No. I can't squeeze out such money now. I have more important things to do now. Anyways, let me see what I can do.
Hey, thank you, sir.
I did not say I will give you the money. I said, let me see what I can do.
Thank you, sir.
Go back to your duty post.
Thank you, sir. $700,000.
Mama, Basia.
I knew it. I told you. I knew it that man can never help me. Huh? Forget the fact he told me that he will see what he can do. Are we not still here? No, tell me, are we not still here? Where's the money?
Why are rich people like this? Why would God bless a man and he will refuse to help other people? Eh? That your boss is very wicked, oh. Very wicked man. Eh? How many years have you been working for him? And he cannot help you. It's bad.
Very bad.
Tell him to take the money from your salary so that it will not look like maybe you are just borrowing the money. Let him be removing it from your salary.
Salary?
Yes.
Did I hear you well? Tell me, how many months or years will I work for him to get 700,000 naira? That is too much. Moreover, this man is already deducting my salary from the medical bills.
So what do we do now?
I don't know what to do. I am frustrated. I am confused. I don't know exactly what to do. My only hope and remedy now is on the people that promise they will get back to me. If they don't get back to me, fine. If I have to die, let me die. I am tired. I am tired already.
God wants you to survive. But this money will not fall from heaven. It's not going to fall in our front yard. We have to do something, and we have to do something fast.
Then what do we do? No, you tell me. What do we have to do? I am the one going through pains here. I am the one suffering. I need this money more than anybody. What do you think I should do? What? Listen, it's obvious that God doesn't care about me. Huh?
You sound like you don't believe in God. I don't like how you're sounding. Eh? I don't like how you're sounding. You sound hopeless and it's not good.
How do you want me to sound? Huh? How do you want me to sound? I'm just expressing my grievances. How? So I will just die like that? Huh? Nothing to show for?
It's okay. It's going to be fine. Everything is going to be fine.
Can you just stop feeding me with those hopeless hopes?
Hopeless hope?
Yes. I am not fine. I will not be fine. I don't even have a child to call my own, a child that will be there to answer my name when I'm gone. Will I just die like that? After everything, I will just die like that? No air, no hope, nothing to show for. God, is that how you want me to die? Is that how you want me to end my life at this young age? What have I done to deserve all this?
Are you going to help him?
Why are you asking?
Because he's very sick. His condition is worsening by the day. If he does not have the operation, he'll die. Huh? So we have to help him.
Mercy,
Yes, my love.
learn to mind your business.
Hmm?
Yes. Learn to mind your business. Is this what you're supposed to be saying? Eh? Madam Miscarriage. You should focus on conceiving. Get pregnant, put to bed, make me a father. That should be your priority number one. Not talking about something that has nothing to do with you. Mind your business.
Alex, I am your wife. You're saying these mean things to me. It's not fair. But that's not a problem. But you see that young man? He has been working his ass off day and night in this compound for years, as long as I can even remember. And this one time we were to cut him a little slice, you are being this mean.
If you are done blabbing, motivational speaker of the night.
Alex, it's not fair. It's not fair. You have the money. You will not eat your money. Help him. Help him.
Conceive. Conceive and put to bed like.
Well, make me conceive.
So all these ones, what have I been doing?
You have been doing it wrongly. You've not been doing it the right way. Yes.
Okay. Don't worry. I will test it elsewhere.
Huh?
Oh, yeah, Megan, one touch like this, nonsense. Tell us you to focus on your problem. Focus on your problem. Conceive and put to bed and make me happy. No, you are here questioning me. Will I help him? Is that supposed to be your business?
You're just being mean. You're just being very mean.
Even barrel pushers have kids up and down. You conceive, Mba. I don't know whether you have a leaking womb. Nonsense.
So this is how this guy now says me. He can't even stop to say hi to me.
Uli, Alex has moved on. How long has it been? Sometimes you need to let things and people go.
You will not understand what I did for this guy when he was in the university. So he cannot see me and drive past.
My sister, that guy never loved you. He never loved you for one day. Let me tell you something. Sometimes our emotion let us do things we don't want to do, just because of love.
He will never understand. True love never dies.
You need to be happy, because the most important part is that you have a man and he has a woman. And your husband adores you.
It's not what I meant. He's my first love. He's my first love. You can't compare my first love to others. The memories keep coming through my mind.
So are you telling me you don't have true love for your husband?
It's not what I'm saying. I didn't say that.
Then let it go now, because he has moved on already. Let's go, I beg, cheer up.
Please leave me.
Let's go. Married woman, where are you going?
My dear, I am looking for money.
What do you mean that you're looking for money? When did money develop legs and start going around the village?
I have crisis at hand. There is trouble. And if I don't comb this village now looking for that money, somebody might die.
My goodness, is it your husband?
God forbid bad thing. Why will you wish my husband a bad thing? Did I say it was my husband? Did I call any names?
I didn't wish your husband anything now. And besides, do I know what the crisis is all about?
So what's the crisis? What kind of crisis do you have?
My dear, for now, it's still on a low. I cannot disclose the issue. It's still internal. I can't tell you people about it, but maybe much later if we have resolved everything. Yes, I will tell you what it is.
No problem.
Yes.
Okay. Take care, yeah?
I would have asked you people for the money, but I know you people don't have.
Yeah, I don't have money.
No problem.
Oh, yeah,
I'll
no.
come and see you guys later.
Take care.
Right.
Okay. Bye-bye. All right.
Excuse me.
Good morning, sir.
Have we met? You look familiar.
Yes, sir. I'm Okay's wife.
Okay, I must say. Okay, my gardener.
Yes,
You're his
sir.
wife.
Yes, sir.
I was like, I know this face, but I couldn't place it. So how are you, my dear? How is okay? What are you doing around here?
Same issue. You know, since we've not been able to do the surgery, I went to get herbal so that we can use and relieve the pain. The woman does not stay far from here. That's what I went to buy.
No problem. Let me lift you a bit. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What is keeping my wife? Does it mean she can't locate the place I described for her? Huh? That woman is suffering. My wife is going through pains, suffering just because she wants me to be alive. God, please help her. Help me. I don't want anything to happen to her. I don't want her to be a widow at this early stage. Please, God, please touch the heart of my Oga. Touch the heart of my boss to help me. I know that man has the money, but I don't know why he doesn't want to help me. Please touch his heart for me. I don't want to die. Huh? The pains is too much.
So, what's your name?
Okay, sir.
Oh, Nkem, that means my own. Such a beautiful name. You have to direct me because I don't know the way to you people's house.
No problem. Just go straight.
This way?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how is your husband's health?
It's getting worse every day. But what can we do? Very soon, Okay will not be able to come to work again. Yes.
But he has been doing his job perfectly well and I've not seen any sign of weakness in him.
My husband is very good at hiding his pains. I'm the one that live with him. I know him very well. He's good at pretending that he's strong. Meanwhile, he's not. Sir, please, is it possible for you to help us with this money? I will be very grateful to you, sir.
Business is slow. I already told, okay? Business is slow. I can't give anybody money for now.
No problem, I understand.
But I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Nice environment.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, take care.
Sir, do you still know your way back?
Yes. Bye-bye.
Just because I asked him to help our gardener, he started using all sorts of nasty words on me. Am I responsible for the miscarriages I have heard? He now threatens me with my condition.
Say, it get something will happen for this compound. And that thing will happen for this compound, no they war, they happen normally. See as madam dey. Make I go. No, I don't want problem. What is my job as the security officer in this compound? Not only to mind the gate, but to mind the whole compound and the person with the inside. Make I find trouble. Make I dress well. Small time now I go begin the shout. Make I dress well. I know waiting to worry my madam. Madam.
Are you crazy?
Madam, sorry, no verse. As a make I ask you, are you okay?
Are you mad? Are you sure you're okay? What does that even mean, if I am okay? Is that what we pay you for? To move around and ask stupid questions? Hold on. You've been observing me for a while. You've been looking at me. For how long?
No, madam, I can't be looking at you. To looking at you means say I eye you. No, I can't be looking at you. If I look at you now, Oga go sack me. It's my job to move around, make sure say the compound they okay and
what exactly do you want? What?
I want to. Nothing. I just say make I know whether they okay.
You're crazy. Something is definitely wrong with you. Look, my eyes are closed. Before I open them, just get out of my sight. This minute.
Okay. No.
Get out! I said get out!
Madam.
Idiot!
Even the bread where you give me, rats don't shop up.
I said get out!
I know how they manage myself. You know easy for me too. You know easy for you. You know easy for me. If I say make I come here, you give me food again, I go shout. Nothing why I go shop. No, I manage myself too. You to manage yourself.
Can you imagine? Is it the color of his uniform that is affecting his brain?
Madam, put your trust in God, oh? Find woman will not get people. If the bread remain, just help me too.
Bye-bye.
my lovely wife, my joy, my queen, my long life and prosperity. Thank you. Thank you for taking good care of me.
Why are you thanking me? I mean, it is my responsibility to take care of you. You are my husband.
Oh, God bless you. God bless you for me.
Thank you. But why are you sounding like this? Did I do anything special? Have I done anything out of the ordinary?
You will not understand, my love. You know, they say a good wife is worth more than gold. Your love for me is real. I can feel it. You love me unconditionally. I can see your love. Your love is real. I mean, look at my condition. I'm a poor man, but you love me.
You are not poor. You're a very hardworking man, and that is why I love you. Why are you saying all these things? Why are you sounding like this today?
Because I love you. I am intoxicated by your love.
Should I tell him Izoga brought me home?
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Let me go get your medicine.
I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Who will I leave my beautiful wife for? Save me, oh Lord. Ah!
Sir?
You are what I call natural beauty.
Thank you so much, sir.
Look at your pink lips. Listen, it's a privilege, eh? I'm so excited to have you on my bed.
Thank you, sir.
Hi. What's the meaning of this?
I think you were lost in thought.
I was lost in thought, and so? Can't I have space in my house again?
Sorry, I just thought...
You know what? Just excuse me, I need to be left alone.
Why are you getting angry?
Oh, can't I get angry again? I said leave, I need to be left alone. Just go.
Why are you behaving like this?
Why wouldn't I behave like this? It's 5 years since we got married. Not even a teddy bear, talk more of a child. Are you not a woman? What's all this? No, tell me, is that not enough reason for me to get angry?
Babe, we have to keep trying.
Don't tell me that bullshit. Don't even give me that crap. Oh, I see. You're waiting for me to die so that you will enjoy my wealth with another man, right? It won't work. It will not work. You'd rather die first. Listen, don't even touch me. Don't touch me. Prove yourself if you're a woman. 5 good years. Not even a teddy bear. Talk more of a child. Eh? You keep telling me, let's try. Try what? I ain't off nowhere. I ain't off nowhere. 5 years. 5 good years. And I'm off nowhere. Nonsense.
Babe. Baby.
My husband is so relaxed about his condition. Now he has gone to work instead of making effort to see how we can raise money for his operation. I cannot keep quiet and watch him die. No. I love him so much. I have to do something to save his life. Maybe I should talk to his oga myself. Yes, he can give us the money as loan. I should talk to him. Yes.
Honey, is there a problem?
Yes. You are the problem. Why can't I have peace? Why can't you allow me have peace in my own house? Why?
Are you by any chance saying I am depriving you of your peace?
Yes, you're bugging me. I left the room for you. I came here to meditate. Here you are bugging me. Sometimes a man needs space. That doesn't mean he's cheating. I am here to meditate. Leave me alone.
Okay. Happy meditation.
The same to you. Huh? Bago bada. Yanu me fe.
Sir, my husband already left for work. Is he not in your place?
I'm not here to see your husband. I'm here to see you. Relax now. Stop looking at me like that. Can I sit?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. Is anybody home?
No, no, sir.
Okay. Have I told you you are naturally beautiful?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah. I don't want to die. I want to live. Somebody show me the way of life. I don't want to.
No do am, no do am. No come pretend say you fine, no. You no fine at all. I see am.
Chidi, what is it?
What did they do you?
I'm fine. Can't you say I'm fine?
You find you can't dey keep face like person wey shit the wall. You can't dey waka like this. Now some person wey find the waka.
Chidi, I'm fine. Please.
Oga Flower, you no find anything. No dey like give me, you no find. Eh? See as you just the waka, you can't tell me say you find. Now some person wey find the waka.
Did I complain to you?
Oga Flower, you no find. You no fit like give me say you find. Person wey find the waka normally. Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, how are you?
Yes, ma'am. I am fine.
You see, me and Madam, we don't catch you now. Me and Madam, we don't catch you. Madam, okay, no find it at all. Oga Flower, no find at all. Now lie in the lie.
Okay. May I see you briefly inside?
Okay, madam, but I am done for today. I was just about changing my...
I won't take much of your time, okay? Come now.
What's your problem? You still talk. You talk too much. You talk to avoid me. I am not your brother. We don't look alike. Why are you putting me in trouble every day?
See yourself now. You know fine. Go make they give you medicine. Sorry. You know fine.
Go back.
A person will fine. Mind the fight. You know fine. You can't fight. You won't come fight. Hey. Madam, you know fine, no. Give am bobo ni say and paracetamol. Miss am. But madam, if na food where you won't give am, me I no fine, no. I hear as madam they fry chicken. They smell everywhere for compound. Madam, me, I no fine. If say na food, me too, I no fine, no. If na drug, if na medicine, I fine. If na medicine. No wahala, I fine.
You are naturally beautiful.
Thank you.
I was driving by, so I decided to breeze in and check on you.
Okay.
That reminds me, I saw your husband. His condition is getting worse. We might lose that man, or his condition is getting worse. Now I understand what you were saying.
That was what I was trying to say. He's just managing.
Don't worry, I will help. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Heavens is going to bless you. Thank you so much.
Leave heaven and God first. You see, in life, nothing goes for nothing.
Yes.
Even in free town, nothing is free. I will help your husband, but on one condition. It's not easy to bring out such amount of money.
It's true.
My business is struggling, so it's not easy to squeeze out money. I deserve something in return.
It's true. This money you are talking about, I know it's not a small amount, and it's not easy to bring out that kind of money. But the problem now is that we have sold our land. We don't have anything, no collateral, nothing to give to you, sir. Please.
No, I'm not talking about property, no. Now, you are the asset now. You are naturally beautiful. So, what I want us to do is this. Allow me sleep with you. Let me enjoy this your natural beauty. And I'll bring money for you to save your husband's life.
God forbid. God forbid that I would cheat on my husband. But never!
I will also cheat on my wife now.
You want to sleep with me? No, this was your plan. That is why you left your house when you know my husband will be busy cutting grass to come and sleep with his wife.
Lower your voice. Lower your voice. Use what you have to get what you want. If your husband dies in that condition, your conscience will flog you forever. His people will not forgive you. If let me enjoy. You save your husband's life.
With all due respect, sir, please leave my house. Please, sir, come and be going.
Think about it.
I will not think about it. Leave.
You are naturally beautiful.
Wait, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
If what you're thinking is what I'm thinking, then we are right.
We both cannot be wrong. We cannot.
This is not the first time I'm seeing Alex car drive out of Oke's compound.
Wait, I thought Nkem said that she had crisis. What kind of crisis that her husband rich boss cannot help her with? Or is he capitalizing on the frequent to stay in this village?
I'm lost though.
My instinct doesn't lie.
Don't worry, let's go. One day, what is hidden will be exposed.
Exactly.
So let's go. Go and leave them.
Somebody help!
How can you do something like this? Now don't do this. Nothing will happen to me. Okay.
Obim. 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 Hey! What is it? Are you okay?
It was a dream. God forbid nothing is going to happen to you. I cover you with the blood of Jesus Christ.
Blood of Jesus. What is it? Huh? You had a dream again? I'm fine. I'm okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm fine.
Nothing will happen to you.
Nothing will happen to you.
Nothing is going to happen to you.
Amen. Nothing will happen to you too. Okay? Go sleep. Come. I don't want to be sweating. I sweat everywhere. Sweat.
Oh yeah. I don't want to die. I want to live. Somebody show me the way of life. I don't want to die. I want to live. Somebody help, 'cause I'm losing my life. Yeah. Somebody help me. Hey, I'm losing my mind. Don't know what to do. Somebody help me. Every day I'm going down. Still no solution. Somebody help me. Somebody help. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Now I've lost my faith, and I'm still losing my mind. I've run out of options, and I don't know what to do. I don't want to die, 'cause I want to live. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Hey, I'm losing my mind. Don't know what to do. Somebody help me. Every day I'm going down. Still no solutions.
Obim.
Yes.
I'm losing my mind. And I'm weak. Whatever happens, have it in mind that I fought with everything I had.
Stop it. Stop sounding this way, Obim. Stop sounding this way. Please. You're scaring me.
But it is truth. It is the truth. I'm just stating my present reality.
It is not your reality. It is our reality. You and I, we are going to fight through this. Stop it.
It is my reality. I will fight it. Who is lying down here helpless? It's me. Who is going through the pains? Still me. It is my reality. I know. I know I will eventually die. Death.
Are you trying to say that the help I render is not good enough? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Is that what you're trying to say? That I am not doing enough? I am not trying to see you leave? Is that what you're trying to tell me, Obi?
Death is calling me. Death is calling me. I will face it. It is my reality. I'll face it.
Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Hey, I'm losing my mind. Don't know what to do. Somebody help me. Every day I'm going down. Still no solution. Somebody somebody help. Somebody help me. Somebody help. I don't want to die. I want to live. Somebody show me the way of life. I don't want to die. I want to live. Somebody help. 'Cause I'm losing my life. Yeah. Somebody help me. Hey, I'm losing my mind. Don't know what to do. Somebody help me. Every day I'm going down. Still no solution. Somebody help me. Somebody help. Somebody help me. Somebody help me.
Hello, sir. It's me, Nkim. Okay's wife. I was thinking about you too, sir. Sir, my husband did not go to work today. He's really sick. You said that you are going to help him, right? You help him. He's dying. My husband is dying. I accept. I will do it. Where should I meet you? And you're going to give him the money afterwards, right?
Oh yeah. I don't want to die. I want to live. Somebody show me the way of life. I don't want to die. I want to live. Somebody help.
Father, forgive me. Forgive me, Father, forgive me. I am sorry. I am sorry. Forgive me. I have no option. I do not have any option. I have no option. I have no option. I have no.
We have an option.
What are you doing here?
I'm crying.
You're supposed to be lying down, my husband. What are you doing here?
It gives me no hope if I keep lying down. The only option we have is for me to stay alive. I have to be fine. I have to stay alive for you. I need to be strong, my love.
You will not die, okay? I will do everything possible to make sure that you live. You are not going to die.
I know. I know. Please, my love, I am hungry. I've not eaten anything since morning. I want you to prepare something for me to eat. Plantain precisely. Unripe. Huh? Boil it for me. Please.
I will.
Let me eat so I can take my drugs, okay? Please do not stress yourself again. I'll be fine. Alright?
Careful.
Alright. I'll be at the front stage.
Hey, I'm losing my mind. Don't know what to do. Every day I'm going down. Still no solution.
You will not believe what happened this afternoon.
What happened?
I confronted Alice. Do you know what I asked him?
What?
The frequent visit to Oke's house. And he could not believe that I asked him such question.
Wait. You mean you stopped Alex?
Yes, now.
What did he say?
He did not say anything. He just entered his car and left.
I think Alex is up to something. But don't worry, we'll find out one day. Definitely.
I pray.
Yeah, we will. We'll find out.
Ready? My love, I will stay a little longer than usual today. My boss wants me to supervise a package delivery, and it takes time before that supervision is being done.
Okay. Just be careful.
Yes, I'm fine.
Where's your medicine?
I have it inside.
Okay.
Of course, I can't forget it. And I feel free today. Like, I feel a bit relief.
That's good.
Yes, I'm strong.
I'll be calling you.
Okay.
I'll call you from time to time, okay?
I love you.
I love you too.
All right. Why?
I want to walk you.
This young man promised to be here before 9 a.m. So what's keeping him? What is keeping him?
Honey, you're still here? I thought you've gone.
Nottingham. As you can see, I'm still here.
So, what are you waiting for?
My late mother.
What kind of reply is this one? Eh?
Can't you mind your business for once? Am I a baby? My friend, what kept you so long?
Sir.
What kept you so long?
Sorry, sir. Sorry for coming late, sir. It was because of the medicine I took last night.
Stop wearing this cap in my house.
Sorry, sir.
Follow me.
He still hasn't called yet. Eh? This man sent my husband away just so that he will not suspect anything. And yet he hasn't called me. What is going on? Eh? Who is that? Jesus! What is the son of the devil doing in my house? Jesus Christ. I thought he was going to call me for me to meet him. What is he doing here?
Natural beauty. Natural beauty. Nice. How was your night?
Sir, you know I'm not fine. I'm not fine. Eh?
Relax. Very soon, very, very soon, everything will be fine. Relax.
See, are you here to pick me up? See, don't even pick me up. Just go. Tell me where to meet you so that we'll carry Keke and meet you there, please.
We are not going anywhere. We are doing it here. It's safer now. Do you want someone to see us entering a hotel?
Jesus Christ. In my matrimonial home.
Does it matter? Your matrimonial home or not, does it matter? The most important thing is that we are going to make love. So whether it's on the air, kitchen, parlor, couch, it doesn't matter.
Is that why you engaged my husband?
I needed to buy us some time. I told him not to leave until I return.
This is not right. This is not right, and you know it. Can't you help us without sleeping with me? Can't you help us?
I don't care whether it's right or not. The money I will cough out, is it right or wrong? No. The money I will use in saving your husband's life, do you know whether I borrowed it from a deity? Don't stop trying to blackmail me emotionally. We're talking about your husband's life here. So let's go and make love. I will give you the money. Simple. I don't want you to look as if I'm forcing you. If you're not interested, let me go. Hold your body, let me hold my money.
Sir, please.
Let's go now.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
How is your health?
I'm managing, ma'am.
May I have a word with you briefly?
Sure, with all pleasures.
I'll be waiting in my room.
Your room?
Oh, there's something I really need you to help me fix.
Oh, okay. Okay, ma'am. No problem.
Now.
Okay, I am behind you, ma'am.
Natural beauty. You don't even use makeup. Stop crying now. I don't like this. Stop crying. Don't make it look as if I'm forcing myself on you. Agreement is agreement. We are here for something crucial. Start. Okay, let me go. No problem.
Please. Go. You can do it now.
Now you're talking.
I'm only crying because I'm about to betray my husband on our matrimonial bed.
This is not betrayal, darling. It's not. You are doing your husband a favor. You are trying to save his life.
It's okay. If doing this is going to save his life, just do it. Just do it.
You look more sexy when you're
How do I explain this to him? I need to save my marriage, just like he needs to save his life.
Come in. Okay.
I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry for wasting your time.
It's okay. Are you done washing his clothes?
Yes, I am. I am done.
Please, sit.
Huh?
Sit down.
No, I am fine.
It's
I can't
okay.
stand.
You can sit.
Madam, I should sit.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Madam.
I need a favor. And if you do this favor for me, I'll make sure you have that operation to keep you alive. Do you understand?
Yes, ma. What favor do you want me to do for you? Anything at all, so long as it is within my power, I must do it.
Thank you.
Are you expecting visitors, so I should clean everywhere, even the backyard?
What I'm about to ask might sound a little crazy, but I am helpless, you see. I really need your help, and I know that you can help me. I need you to get me pregnant.
Huh? Jesus.
Okay.
Jesus, madam.
Okay.
Let me start going.
No, please.
Let me start going.
Don't go. Don't you want to leave? Look, if you do this for me, I promise you, I'll help you get that operation. Huh? Please.
Madam, please. Please, I beg you. I love what I am doing. This job is all I have. I don't want Oga to kill me. Hey, God forbid. No, I can't do it. I can't do it. I love my wife so much. Please, if I do anything with you, that means I have betrayed her.
And I love my husband too. But I am out of options.
Madam, please, I beg you. Let's just forget about this. I will never tell Oga that you told me something like this. Please, let me just go.
He will not know.
Madam, please.
It's gonna be our secret.
Hey, please. No.
Oh, you're such a sweet woman. Hey, you know how sweet you are. Natural beauty. Natural beauty. Organic. Natural. You're too sweet, I bet. Hey.
Please go. Please.
Hi.
Leave. I beg you.
Stop crying now. It's not like you favored me. No. You did your husband a favor by saving his life with this.
How can you call this abomination a favor? What kind of favor is that? What kind of favor is that?
It is favor now. Okay, you want your husband to die. No, you want him to die so that another man can have you free. You did him a great favor now. Let's call it spade.
Are you always this wicked and mean?
I'm not wicked and mean, I'm just stating the obvious. You saved your husband's life with your powerhouse. You did well. People should congratulate you. So don't let your conscience flog you. You're sweet, eh? I love you. You gave me someone like you. Take care, eh? I love you. Bye.
Babe. Oh, babe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
No work today?
What's your business? Yeah? What's your business? Work or no work? What's your business? Are you lacking anything? Or do you want to spoil my mood?
No. I am sorry, I won't ask next time.
Better. It's your turn to Israel. God of Israel. Oh. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Oh, Guinea. How could she be that sweet?
Dad, don't forget to follow them Esther's place so we can buy beans cake. We've not taken that road for 3 days now.
You seem to have a soft spot for that girl and her grandma. Or is it all about their sweet akara? Or is there something you're not telling me?
Dad, nah, I just like them. But I like the taste of their beans cake.
You know, I know when you're being mischievous. And I think this is one of those times.
Daddy, now, it's just about the beans cake, nothing more.
Are you sure? All right, let's go. Chidi, open the gate.